Remote control introduction. Directly press the designated input number button and press OK. Press the numeric key 1, and then press the designated numeric button to deselect the output port, or press the numeric key 1, then press Auto to cancel all selections, and then press the numeric key to specify the display output port. Press the menu button, press the number 1, and the plan saver. Number button 1, button OK, save to the first plan. Press the menu button, press the number 2, and the plan load. Button number 2, call plan 2.